You may not be aware of it or be able to see it every day, but the Earth's surface is constantly changing due to natural processes such as physical weathering. Physical weathering, also known as mechanical weathering, is a gradual process that breaks down rocks on the Earth's surface into sediment, sand, clay, or topsoil. Physical weathering is a never-ending cycle that happens from the first moment new rock from tectonic plates comes into contact with natural forces such as temperature, wind, and water. This video will explore how physical weathering slowly causes our Earth to change due to the element of water. Water assists physical weathering by breaking apart rock and soil through frost wedging and water abrasion. Frost wedging occurs when rainwater seeps into cracks and cavities of rocks. When the temperature drops to freezing conditions, the water caught in the cracks freezes and turns into ice. When liquid water transforms into a solid like ice, it expands in volume of about 9% and in turn places pressure on the surrounding rock. This ice acts like a wedge and slowly widens the cracks, causing the rock to splinter and break apart. Frost wedging is a slow but destructive process that causes mountain ranges to constantly change their shape and size. Take a moment to pause this film and have a look at these examples of frost wedging. Write down some observations that you notice about these rocks, such as what the rocks may look like. Is it smooth or does it have edges? And how did such a large rock end up on the ground? Another form of physical weathering caused by water is abrasion. Water abrasion changes the physical appearance or look of rocks. Water abrasion can happen in many locations, like shorelines, oceans, and rivers. This process takes place when strong currents of water carry and force sediments against the surrounding rock surfaces. When sediment is repeatedly forced against rock by water, it slowly grinds away and cuts the rock's surface. This causes the rocks to reduce in size and become round over long periods of time. Take a moment to pause this film and think of times when you have seen large boulders or small rocks in the environment that are weathered and round. Write down your memory of what rounded rocks looked or felt like. So now you understand that frost wedging and abrasion are two types of physical weathering caused by water that change the Earth's surface. Just remember that in nature, the breaking down of rock and surrounding soil can take hundreds, thousands, or sometimes millions of years.